Hi friends, very good evening, and I hope you had a super day today. Uh, Views, if you see, if you had noticed our morning mm, short video, which I think was just about few seconds or so.
Video has considerably weak. Now we expected it to sustain at 18,550 levels. It is moved down below and made a low of 18,528. If market moves doesn't sustain above 18,580 to 600, then we may see more fall coming in. Bank Nifty has a good support. Hopefully, this should the big players may take it up and so whipsaw movements can be seen today. Uh, Trade cautiously and good luck for today. Being an expiry, weak player, I mean, people who are good in analytics can take chances, but be cautious.
So this was a view we had today. We were, as we mentioned, Nifty, if it doesn't sustain at this level, uh, 16,580 and 18,580 and 600, then we may see fall. Uh, Hopefully, I mean, thankfully, I would say that it did sustain at this level and did not move down. Of course, but it was very flattish. We also mentioned that at some point in time, uh, because we could realize uh, there was no much uh, movement at all. Nifty can be range bound today, crazy range bound. And there was one nice call which we took, 42,800 call at 400, and then after some time we told hold for target or trail SL, but then leave it as 0 or 0 with a stop loss at 510. This in fact went up to close in fact around 800 levels, which is double. So Bank Nifty was hugely uh, bullish. It just went above our levels. In fact, this was our previous target that closed much above this in the last, I think, 1 hour or so. Uh, of course, we were also looking at this 18,500, 140, 160, which never came. I mean, did come after some time, yes, I will tell you where. 43,000 call, 375 we gave, and which easily moved up to 430, 440 levels or so. Few stocks we took, Bharat Forge, I think was strong, and let me just show you how this moved. Just a strong, very rally, and went up. Anyways, for tomorrow, I think if I see the option chain, again 43,000 is a very strong support. Of course, there are some put writers at 43,500 also, which is a good thing for it does it can show that market can stay above this level and take much higher. I think what I should do is, so for tomorrow, my levels I think are not going to change. I am expecting possibly there can be a gap up in Bank Nifty, or even if it moves down, if we look at the option chain, of course, 43,500 is also nice writers, and 44,000 is the next, what do you say, huge resistance. And there is definitely some resistance with the call writer at 43,600, which we need to see whether they hold or they need to exit. So tomorrow, if you see, I am expecting uh, even if there is some kind of a retracement, I am expecting this to move down and then, uh, or possibly it can take support at 470 to 43,440 and then start moving up. Uh, so when we share the levels, as I said, this is my, above this maybe I would look to buy. First target could be 43,750 or 43,670 or so. If this also moves above, then I think 43,750 is what I, 43,790 is what I could see. On the lower side, if price moves down below, then I would look to short. Uh, Mostly, my first target would be somewhere close to 43 to 80, so to 80 to 98, 300. So below this, if it still further moves down, then I think we should be able to see 43,000 120 levels or so. Nifty, on the other hand, could not sustain really, but then is definitely can. There is a possibility of this to gap up or so. Over my buying levels would be if price is sustaining and then start moving up above 43,620 or so, I would look to go long. First target could be 43,650 levels or so. And the next target, I think we can easily expect 43, 670 or so. Stocks which I have picked already for tomorrow, or I would be keeping an observation, would be Grasim. Grasim has consolidated, is in the consolidation, I would say. Uh, it may try to test the throughout the week buyers. Uh, but however, if this moves above below 180, 1,780, then more lows can come in Grasim. But it will be a great opportunity if it comes down for buying for the long-term investor. Cipla, on the other hand, somehow has not been able to rally, and the pattern, uh, not confident pattern, but then yes, for intraday, I think we can see 1,000 uh, one. 18 to 120 or so. On the lower side, the next stock I think would be UPL. UPL has not been able to sustain. I think it may go further down uh, by somewhere by 760 puts, and it may rally to 770s levels or so. So happy profiting. I'm sure you would have subscribed and given your likes. I would also request you to join our Telegram channel, which is Chats Speak Always or Chat Speak. So here again we share views. We also share our profit and loss. And some people were asking me how to maintain discipline. The moment you understand that market can throw you out, automatically the indiscipline will go and wait for the right setups for entering. So that's how you can uh, do. I mean, be in profit is what I would say. Reliance is also weak. I think so. There could be another possibly short rally in Reliance. Uh, on the upper side, I think we should be able to see 2683 provided this stocks is able to sustain about 2657 levels. So thanks for your time and